Hello.
Hi, Harry. Yeah, I just WhatsApped you. I thought you are not coming to the
Ah,
class
yeah, yeah.
today.
I just seen your message also. Actually, I was trying to enter into the Zoom meeting. There is a technical issue. I think now it's solved. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So today we will start with the filters, groups, and everything, right? Like a touch-up work in MS Project.
What's that? Sorry.
Filters, groups, and everything. How to filter, how to group, or how to highlight some like specific topics or specific things.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, for this kind of exercise or something to learn, we can just open some existing projects. So I'm just going to
Okay.
take the yesterday project now, this one.
Hmm.
Okay.
The earned value analysis, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Okay. See here in view, we have all this option. In view, we have like a data group, right? In this view tab,
Yeah.
data group, we have like a highlight, filter, and group. These three we will see first.
Yes.
Okay. So for example, if you want to highlight some specific things, so you can just go to the drop down. Now it is like by default, no highlight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But if you want to see only the active task, see, these are all the active tasks, then it is showing only the active task. Okay. So for
Mm-hmm.
example, if I'm just going to make some task as inactive, you know now how to act, like make some task inactive. Go to task and then make this as inactive.
Where, where did you go again in active?
1 minute, one
Because
minute.
I
So you need to select everything and you need to click inactive.
uh I don't think I have that option.
Inactive option.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Maybe standard version, right? That's why.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So in view now, I'm just going for a no highlight and I will try to just go for making some activities and inactive. Okay. See, now it became like inactive, right? So it striked out.
Mm-hmm. Do you think
Okay.
there is another way to do inactive?
So another way, like we can just go to task information and where we see we have inactive option.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. This one doesn't. The standard version do not have inactive.
So totally
Uh,
like inactive option, nothing. Like even in the general also we don't have, na?
yeah, yeah.
That's the problem. See now you have inactive task also. But if I'm just going for view, only I'm going to highlight like inactive task. What to say are active task. See, it will highlight only the active task. So this is like a
Yes.
highlight. But if you want to see
Mm-hmm.
like inactive task also, we can able to just go for new highlight filter. So new highlight filter, inactive task. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just going to put a, okay. So I'm just going to make this as activate again.
Mm.
Okay. Now I'm just again going for view and then here now you can able to go for highlighting only the critical. See, these are all the
Mm-hmm.
critical task. And
Yes.
even you can just go for some completed task. See, only these few are completed task.
Mm-hmm.
And then date range, even you can just go for some date range. So for
Mm-hmm.
example, when it started, maybe like I'm just going for June 1, click OK. And then before July 5. See, only these activities going to come within the range that we have selected.
Yes.
Hmm. So incomplete task. So it will show you the incomplete task also. And late
Mm-hmm.
task. Any late, see, this is like there is one late task also we have. And then
Mm-hmm.
milestone, we don't have milestone, no, it won't show anything. But summary task, it will show only the summary task, which means like it will highlight only the summary task.
Harry, can you click on late task?
1 minute. Late task.
Because yeah, because for me it's showing C4 to C8. All of those are late.
Okay. Maybe because you may have some changes there.
Mm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Because why it is like difference means maybe because of the status date. So go and check the status date.
Okay. Yes, yes, yeah. So it's 7 6. Okay.
Then you will get only one.
No, I'm still getting all four of them. Okay, let me do late. Yeah, now I'm getting only one. Yes.
Yeah. See, that's
Yeah.
why, yeah, I'm telling. Okay. So late task and then task range, like show
Mm.
task between ID. So for example, one, and I'm just going for a 9. Click OK. It will show only this like that from task range through ID also. And then task with estimated duration. We don't have any estimated duration, question mark duration.
Yes.
Okay, but for example, see, this is like we have in here in a table. I'm just going for entry, and I'm just going to put like a 5 question mark. So which means like a 5-day question mark, and then we'll put a 6 question mark like that. Okay, so I'm just going for highlight only the estimated durations. See, it will highlight, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, see, again you need to just go for no highlight, so it's kind of refresh. And then using resource. See, if you have many resource now, you can able to have only for total budget, click OK. See, it is only highlighting only that because this is like budget resource. Now only it is highlighting this one. But if I'm just going for using resource and I'm just going for R, it will like ulta it will show. So this is only for highlighting purpose. But we also can go for our own highlight, like clear highlight. If you have something, for example, so critical, and I'm just going for clear highlight, it will clear actually. It will become no highlight. And then new highlight filter or more highlight filter. See, I'm just going for more highlight filter, active task, and I'm just going for a new. Like that, as a template, we can able to just take and we can able to modify. Okay. So critical. Otherwise, we can just go for edit. Then we will be knowing what it is. Active equals yes. So what we can do, we can just go for active, and then I'm just going for copy, and I'm just going for inactive task. And then active equals no. And then I'm just going to put save. See, inactive task also we have created, it is coming, and then close it. See, now you can able to go here, and I'm just can able to see the inactive task also. But where it is coming?
Yeah, it's on the top. The top.
See, custom.
First
this
thing.
is coming under custom. This is built in.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going for inactive task. So when you act inactive only, it will show. Okay. Again, you need to go to view, and then you need to go for clear highlight, and we can just go for inactive. See, it is showing. So this is what I would try to show you. Okay, great. So it is automatically coming, and then I'm just going for a clear highlight. Okay. So you can customize anything in Microsoft project. Okay.
Yes.
And the same, this is only for highlighting. The same, we can also go for filter. So for example, here I'm just going for only critical. So it will filter only the critical. We can able to see only the critical task.
Yeah.
And if you want only the like completed task, it will show only the completed task. Completely it will try to filter. And then you can just go for a what else like that you can able to go for. Now if you don't have an inactive task, it won't show anything because we don't have anything. So like the same, what you are going to highlight, you can able to go for inact like filter also.
Yes.
Okay. So you can just go for new filter, more filters, and like that. So this filter and everything also, it will be useful for any project. You can customize and you can use it. See, now the same you also have in group. So group in the sense, I'm just going for critical. So it will show critical yes and critical no, which means like it will show non-critical task and also like a critical task. Because it's completed now it became
basically
non-critical.
Combining two filters. Yeah. So grouping is basically connecting two filters or applying
like,
two filters.
Yeah. And then we can just go for duration, then priority. So based on the priority, it will show here. You know now how to just change the priority. You can just go to double click
information,
and then you can just change the priorities here. Okay.
Yes.
So resource, see, it will show only the resource because we have only our resource. But if any other project now, we can able to see like based on the resource. For example, I'm just going to open this one IT project. It will open side by side, I think. Okay, now we can just go for a view and then a group, and then I'm just going for resource. So based on the resource, we can able to see. See, this is resource without name and graphic designer like that.
Yes.
Okay. So and you can able to create yourself also, these things. Another thing, here like we can able to see the Gantt chart. But here we can just go for time scale, hourly basis or monthly. Now it is in a week basis. It is in a day basis. I'm just going for a month. So every month it will show. And then I'm just going for a thirds of month. So like this. Or we can just go for weekly basis. Or I'm just going for a year as a whole year. So 19, 20, 21 for 21. Na? Otherwise, what we can show means like we can just go for entire project. So the entire project now it will automatically like adjust itself and then it will show this entire project. Or if you want only the particular selection, see, I'm just going for a no group. I'm just going to select only this these this view. I'm just going to select a task. So it will show only the selected task in the Gantt chart. And then the entire project in the sense it will show everything again. Okay, I'm just going for months. And then I will try to show only a selected task. See, can you able to see only it will show the selected task. If you are just removing the selection, then again it will show everything. No, still it is not showing. In that case, like it's showing after selection. Like yeah. So these options you can able to make yourself zoom out, zoom in, everything. And then details if you want. See details you have here now. This is like we have before also. This is like task form. Like we also have resource form. Like that. Yeah. So timeline, if you don't have, you can click here. Okay.
Yeah, I think this filter and group is very beneficial.
Yeah. Okay, now we will see like how to insert multiple projects into one. So anyway, don't save anything. If you want, you can save. I think no need, not today.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to take some blank project and we will try to insert like 2-3 projects into one.
Okay.
So I'm just going to project. See here we have now project tab and then insert menu. We have sub project. So we need to click this sub project.
Yes.
Then we can select. See from here. MS project files, and I'm just going for example, this one, insert. So it is coming.
Yes.
So we can able to see from the indicator this project was inserted.
Yes.
Okay. And then again, I'm just going for another project. So for example, this one. Again, the same, I think. Okay. So if you're opening, you can able to see all the details, all the tasks and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I have this baseline one, the one we did baseline for. And then I have this earned value analysis. Yeah. So both projects are there now.
Okay.
Yep. So yeah, I think I can use this tool to build my project. Yeah.
Yeah. See, for example, if you want to like put these things, like from here after completing this, you want to start this one. What we can do means like we can just go to task tab, and then we have schedule group, and here we have link na.
Yeah.
And then you choose the link task command with only one task selected. So you need to select both. So you need to select this and also this, and then go for link. So it is automatically linking both. This is like two separate projects, but we are linking. When once you like schedule, auto schedule.
Yes.
But it's not automatically scheduling, right?
No, because these things are making sense now. Oh no, yeah, it's not. Yeah.
And then here it is showing something like a predecessor. See, even it is automatically taking the path.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I will use this technique to try to build my. portfolio thing.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think it should work. I think with all
Yeah.
the projects. But the thing is, I need to create two like project files. One with with everything collapsed, like the
Hmm.
project is collapsed. So only start date, finish date of earned value analysis, column
Hmm.
example, and earned value analysis. And then the other one can be detailed, the one that can be expanded for all
Hmm.
activities.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So yeah, I think I will use this model. Maybe it's more beneficial than the Excel.
Yes, 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 yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. So you finally find a way to to build me the dashboard.
Yes, yes, yes. You are right. So because of the status date, no. So
No, there
only
is
we
no
will get to
status.
finish to start, but it is not pushing
Yeah.
this to that date.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Maybe we need to put a lag or something.
Maybe.
No, yeah, because it's already no. I think it's already autos. Yeah.
No, no.
No,
If you
no.
go,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's just lagging. Yeah. 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 No. No. Anyways, yeah. I think I got the idea.
Okay, great. So now you got the idea how to have multiple projects into one project file.
Yeah.
But the disadvantage
Yeah.
means
Yeah.
like you should not
I think
change
it's
the
I told you
location of the
this one will
files.
be. Yeah. Yeah. Because they're linked to the file path.
Yeah, yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah. Mm.
So we also have share resources. So we can able to share resources for project one
Sure.
from
Yeah. How did you do this? Sorry?
so
I
you need to
missed
go for
which step.
resource tab and resource pool, share resource.
Resource pool. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Yep. Mm.
use own resource or use resource from here earned value column like
Mm-hmm.
that. So if you are clicking here and then resource pool, it is automatically taking share
For
text
yeah,
precedence.
for me, I think I can choose baseline. Yeah.
Oh, for you, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can choose it because I'm using the baseline example we did. So
Okay, but this one now, like I will save and close. I will try to save like multiple projects, and I'm just going to save it. Want to save your changes to? It is also asking for want to save there or not.
yeah.
Yes to all.
Hmm.
Then I'm just going
Yep.
to file and then close, and then I'm trying to open multiple projects.
Hmm.
Okay, but still this is I'm not satisfied because it's supposed to push that this activities now completely. No, but it won't
Hmm.
actually because now this only for this actually. Okay, anyway, like this, then we can you can do, yeah. If you do any changes here, it's automatically reflecting there. If you do any changes there, it will automatically reflect here. That is what we need actually. Yeah. For example, like I'm just putting these two inactive, and then I'm just going to save it. We can go for yes to all. If I'm just going to close and then I'm just going there, and it will be there actually. Where this one. See, this is what we need. See here also it is showing because now we put link now finish to start. The from the other project it is automatically coming, but we can't able to edit anything here. Just like read only.
Yes.
But if you're changing here, again it will go there.
Hmm.
Hmm. So this is what like multiple projects we can make use of.
Hmm.
Okay, and I will try to put the close and then I'm just going for blank project and I'm just going for resource and resource pool, share resource. Use one resource or we use resource request at least one open resource pool. We need to open actually.
Hmm.
I'm just going for IT resource assignments. So
Hmm.
I'm just going here. So automatically we can just go for resource pooling, share resource, and we can
Yeah.
just go for IT project and then click OK.
Yeah.
So the file that you want to use a resource from has a different currency. Okay, sharing resource with the file with a different currency can produce unexpected result in cost fields. To continue, click OK. Okay, click OK.
Hmm.
Then we can able to see the resource sheet, see automatically coming.
Yes.
So no need to create again.
Hmm.
This is what resource pooling.
This is how, yeah, you use resource pool. Yeah.
Yeah. You also using
Yeah.
great. Yeah. See in report section, report tab, we also have compare project. We can able to compare two different projects.
Where is, and yeah,
Yeah.
and the reports.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Compare projects. Okay.
Yeah.
What does this say? IT pro? Okay.
You can compare versions of the same project or different project to know the differences. This is only for a same project with the different versions.
Mm. No, this is for one project. Yeah, this is not for two projects. Okay. Okay, so I will. Which one did you open? Sorry, IT project resources.
No, that no problem. You can open some two projects, and then you click OK. We will see how it will be.
Okay, and then compare projects. Yeah, but yeah, it only shows to me one project now.
See now automatically we are having the comparison report.
Mhm. Yeah, it's not working for me, Hari.
Maybe standard version. Again, that's the problem.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Mm, exactly. Oh no, it's doing. Yeah, it's working now. Yeah.
Uh, so this is
Yeah.
only for versions. I think this is like comparing only the versions. So you can open open some lower version in this, and then you can compare any changes or something like that. But this is
Yeah.
not for two different projects. Yeah.
Mm,
And then I'm just going for close comparison. Even resource comparison, it's showing.
yes.
Uh, See, we can able to see all this detail now here and then here.
Yeah.
So this is only for one project, and then we can just compare for two different versions, I think. See, even you can able to organize something. There is something called organizer. You click organizer. When you click organizer, you can able to like have some more views also if you want. Even in
Okay.
report also, you can able to have some report for this project too. If you want only few
Uh-huh.
reports, you can customize. Only few tables,
Mm,
you can customize everything like that.
mm,
So then for this current project, only this what you selected, only it will be there. Yeah,
mm.
yeah. For example, I'm just having entry now. I will just go
Yeah.
another like tracking. So copy and then I'm just going to
Uh,
close it.
but you know the thing in my standard version, I
Yeah,
don't have task and can you go back to this one?
this one.
Uh,
Yeah.
organize. Click on
Uh,
organizer. Yeah, you see. Yeah, click on it. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is the view I have. Yeah, so I have a different. So you had a different view now, just a minute ago.
That one
Because
I just taken from here table.
from table.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So project 4 now, I'm just going for tracking, copy, and then close it, and then close it. Okay, so first you need to open the file that you want to copy. For example, I'm just closing this one closing.
Mm.
This one also I will close. This one also I will close. This one also I will close. This is the only one. I'm just going for again new blank project. So go for file and then info organizer. Now you can just go for this is project file, right? Okay.
Mm.
This is global, but even you can just take from the open projects. Yeah.
Mm.
For example, calendar or
Mhm.
calendar, we don't know whether. Okay. Otherwise, we can just go to table. Table, we have entry table only. So filter, we don't have. If you have anything only, it will show. See table only entry here also entry. Calendar, standards, standards. Like this, if you want, see, for example, resource sheet, resource sheet you can able to copy
Mhm.
and then close it. So then we can just go for resource sheet, but nothing came here. Why? File organizer. Table, reports, no. See, this is from here, na, IT. Field, IT project, we have WBS. I'm just going to put copy. What we did now, like there we selected WBS, right? But WBS where we have. See, in, some other options, yeah, because here, because of this actually. WBS, define code. See, it automatically came. Do you understood? This we created before, na?
Yeah.
That automatically coming. This is what it will be.
Mm.
Then why resource sheet is not coming?
Maybe in that file there is no resource sheet, or there is?
No, I think we have resource assignment. We did the resource assignment, na? Resource sheet.
Yeah.
Delete it.
Yeah. Just delete and then add it again.
Close it. They're not coming. Maybe we need to check, as you said, na? Maybe. See, we have resource sheet. Yeah. No, it is not coming. We will try something. Anyway, for WBS it is coming, na? Okay, anyway, WBS came, na? That the same concept it will be. But resource sheet is not coming. What I need to check, I need to check actually.
Yeah. Anyway, Harry, this point is not that important for me, so I think you can skip this one.
That's better then no problem. See, at the same time, now you have custom fields here in column. So I'm just going for a custom, but we discussed already custom field, na? Text one, for example. I'm just going to rename as a location.
Yeah.
Click OK. So I'm just going for lookup. So we can able to put a CHN, or we can put a DXB. So Dubai, SHJ, Sharjah, ADB. You from Abu Dhabi, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Like this, you can just put and then close. And then click OK. And when you're putting this insert column and then location, right? See, you can able to see that 3 option. This also you can make use of.
Harry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello, Harry?
Hello?
Harry, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, because the sound was not reaching there. So, yeah.
Now you understood now how to custom these kind of things. Also, you can make some
Right.
location and we can just take from lookup.
Location.
Okay, anyway. If you want, like normally we can just go for here now reports. Go for report and then dashboards and everything. These things you will get immediately. This we seen yesterday also, right? Okay. So this is what like these are the things we have. Like literally we can say that we have completed the MS project. Yeah. So you need any refreshment for final class or something like in that case like we can continue tomorrow. Otherwise not needed.
Inshallah, I hope that if I have inquiries and you, what do you say? You are the MS project guru.
Of
So
course, like yeah, now you taken under my supervision, right? Yeah.
yeah, so then I will ask you all, like once in a while how to do this and how to.
Okay.
But yeah, yeah.
So that's fine, right? Like we have completed, and then you need to practice a lot, and then you will get to know like what it is like everything.
So,
So okay, I think in that case, like we can wind the session. Like, so how you feel about the whole session? Like, how like you spend the time with me? You can share some good things. Yeah.
so this is for survey like customer satisfaction or something.
No, which means like yeah, I used to like ask with students like at the end of the course at least. Nah, so sometimes
No,
they say some
so,
good things also. Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
so basically, we spoke about a lot of personal things,
Yeah.
during the course, which was very good.
Yeah.
And also I explained to you like all my like all my life biography or life
Yeah.
story
Actually, I was
of what
telling
happened.
you to another student as a role model because he also at your age. Like I was telling, there is one student like this UAE nationality, and he got presidential scholarship. And yeah, yeah, this is like I never forget these things. So, yeah, something great now. Not everyone can achieve those.
Yeah. So and in the beginning, of course, I told you like what happened.
Yeah.
I was like so I took MS project in college because there was a course in college called project management in aviation operations.
Yes. Yes.
So basically, I took that course and and even when I was in college, I got my contact hours for PMP.
Yes. Yes.
But then the professor told us you guys cannot apply for PMP unless you have 3 years of work experience working in projects.
Ah, yeah, yeah. They have some
Uh,
restriction.
yeah,
Yeah.
real projects. Yeah. So I had my contact hours in 2017.
Ah.
Before graduation. Yeah, I got my contact hours. So basically, that course was like one of the courses so I can graduate from college. And that course,
Yeah.
so the assignments of that course was not really like there were some assignments like about project management and stuff, all this theoretical stuff, but the
Yeah.
practical stuff was there was a book, and it was like if you heard of these books like MS Excel for Dummies, MS Word for Dummies.
Ah, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, it's like a tutorial book. So there was a tutorial book on MS Project. So these were
Yeah.
the most frustrating assignments. But
Wow.
yeah, I started from chapter one, and you have to follow them, like
Ah,
one by one, step by step, and you will get it. So at that time, I had a pretty good understanding of most of the MS Project tools.
yeah,
Then I graduated and never used MS Project. I mean, I listed it on my CV that I
yeah,
can use it. I have learned how. I have self-learned it, not
yeah,
from a professor or anything,
yeah,
but never used it. Yeah, so because of my role. And then when I changed to become a project planner, and that's what
yeah.
I told them in the interview. I told them, yes, I can use MS Project. But the
Mm.
first day I opened MS Project, I had no idea. So it came, yeah, it came through experience. Like I was doing
Yeah,
schedules, I was doing Gantt charts, but as I told you, at the workplace it's different. Most of these
yeah,
tools and techniques in MS Project doesn't apply to our work. I mean, real
yeah,
life.
yeah,
So yeah, and then I told you 16 months I was not there. Everything in Arabic, military mindset. But yeah, so my main purpose was so I took this course as a refresher,
yes, yes,
and yeah, and I was like the good thing, we shared a lot of personal stuff,
yeah,
and yeah, and the thing was that whenever like if you were like a little from the old generation, like
yeah,
a
yeah.
typical classical instructor. If I told you like Harry, like Mr. Harry, can you please stop doing this because this is not important to my role, or this is not related to my role, or let's say yeah, I know this stuff, but don't make me bored, and like by
Uh,
repetition.
yeah,
Yeah, so it was so like from this perspective it was like a very good thing, because I usually, because we shared a lot of personal stuff, so I was feeling very comfortable when I'm like when I know the stuff and I don't want repetition, and I will just directly tell you like, Harry, I know this stuff, let's move on to the next thing. And same
yeah,
like today, like we are doing this organizer template thing, and I was like,
yeah,
Harry, this I wouldn't worry about it. I knew the concept, and I will know when I will use it. So
yeah,
once I use it, I will play around. I will keep playing
yeah,
around until I get the answer.
yeah,
So yeah, so that's my impression of the course, and that's why I told you, as long as I have your even India's WhatsApp number, I can message you when I am in some trouble on an MS project. But it will be a quick question, so I want like I won't bother you with details, and or maybe just send you the MSP file.
Hmm.
Because see, if I send you something, it would be like very difficult to figure out what the problem is or what my requirement is. So I
Because you
might
are the
ask you if
only
I
guy that you're working on that, na? Because I don't know. Like I need to know
no, for
everything
me,
from the beginning. Yeah.
yeah, for me, Harry, so I even don't work too much, like I used to create, and I will create some Gantt charts,
Yeah.
but as I told you, like I'm running projects on behalf of my client.
Ah, yeah.
So basically, all the Gantt charts I get from the contractors, they are so confusing. Like there is one contractor, they are also from India, they are North Indians,
Ah.
and they are doing something called electronic terrain and obstacle database survey.
Oh.
This is a requirement from the civil aviation, from the regulator. So
Hmm.
it's a regulatory requirement for us. So, anyways, those guys, they know how to do these things. They know all the technology and all the know-how behind it, but they are very poor on the project management side. Like schedules and all these things. So when they send me schedules, even for me, even if like I just open the schedule on MS Project, it is like so difficult to follow. Like so then I just send them an email, like telling them, okay, please provide me, tell me what was the baseline date for this contract, and what is the start and finish date, that was proposed by you, and what is
Yeah.
the actual status, and give me the completion percentage. So
Yeah.
based on that, I will verify with all my teams and engineers or whoever are involved, and then
Yeah.
because these see the percentage completion and the current status or the current start and finish and the baseline finish. See, these things, I have to make sure these are met because I have to release payments.
Ah, yeah, I
And
understood.
yeah, and I'm doing it for a client. So basically, I'm
Hmm.
going to the client telling him, okay, I will run these projects for you. So I better like make sure that I run everything 100% with no errors.
Hmm.
Yeah, because then the client would have someone to blame.
Yeah, yeah.
Then we will play this blame and shame game. Like, yeah, you did this, and I trusted you with my
Yeah.
resources, with my budget,
Yeah.
I was using your expertise that this subject matter. So yeah, so for me, this is the thing. And yeah, so see, most of the things that will not be used, I'm pretty sure I will forget them. Keep it up
I think suddenly like there is some Wi-Fi problem from
and
your side.
hope that someday I also take the Primavera course with you.
Ah, thank you. Yeah, you can.
Yeah,
We are
yeah,
also
I
doing.
told you there are problems.
Yeah.
Yeah, so inshallah, and yeah, we will be in touch if you are, and I will ask you if you are doing any other courses. So what else are you doing, Harry? Just remind me. You are doing Primavera, MS Project. You are doing AutoCAD as
Ah,
well, yeah?
no, no, AutoCAD I'm not doing here, but I know the software. But here, what I was doing was like structural softwares, like structural software, management software, and then another drafting software. Now, MicroStation I was teaching, like similar to AutoCAD it is.
Uh-huh. Okay, but you know AutoCAD, right? You are
Yeah,
good
yeah,
in
yeah.
AutoCAD as
I
well.
know AutoCAD also. Yeah.
Yeah, I just connected to my phone on
Ah,
Zoom because we don't need to share screens or anything.
yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so basically, yeah, this is so yeah, what I was
yeah,
saying, this AutoCAD thing, and you told me that you are pretty good with AutoCAD.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so I think I will also at some point,
Ah,
I might learn some basic stuff from you on AutoCAD.
okay.
Yeah, so I have plans. See, the thing is, why, and you didn't ask me why I want to learn AutoCAD.
Ah, but why?
So
Yeah.
yeah, so there is something in air navigation. See, this air navigation services, this business is like a very specific business, very
Ah,
narrow and very, yeah, but it's a big thing. It's like you need a lot of knowledge to do it.
hmm,
So there is something in air navigation services called AIS,
hmm.
which stands for Aeronautical Information Services.
Like a
So
geographical
basic,
information system. Yeah. Mhm.
yeah, exactly, like GIS guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, those guys they draw the airspace, the airspace charts, what they call them. So
Ah,
basically, those are the maps
hmm.
where you have like all the air routes, like how the aircrafts are going and coming back. What routes they are using, what are the prohibited areas, what are the restricted areas.
Hmm.
And when they need to climb, when they need to adjust their altitudes. So these things are all called aeronautical charts. So basically, these are maps
Hmm.
of, like, let's say Abu Dhabi or the whole UAE, or
So those guys always use AutoCAD to measure, to measure things, to see how far, like. So they use AutoCAD. They always have like one AutoCAD officer who will design these things. So and then also on project side, so there are two types of projects. There are system projects, which involves, like systems like I told you, like communication systems, navigation systems, surveillance systems. So these are like engineering related systems, like these are the one we use to communicate with, aircrafts and, radars and stuff. And there are so these are system projects, and there are operational projects. Yeah. So basically operational projects are the one where you need, where you will change some of the airspace you have, the airspace you control, Yeah. So if you have, like, let's say if there is an operational project and, like I'm the lead for it or something, like I'm leading the project. So if I have some of that AutoCAD, knowledge, even like basic knowledge. So if I get something from the contractor, like, okay, this is the proposed plan to do this. At least, I can find something in it without going back to the AutoCAD officer. You see my point?
Yeah. You're always
so
welcome. You can come for new courses. I will be like what to say? Like, I'm happy to teach you again.
Yeah, exactly. So I will see, like if the company agrees to purchase Primavera and we get Primavera, then yes, I'm definitely taking Primavera. Yeah, and then and also I told you at some point, if I get if I started to be involved in operational projects, I mean the projects where AutoCAD is used,
okay,
then I would also just take maybe a basic course on AutoCAD or something, or we can meet somewhere in a restaurant or in a coffee shop, and you can just teach me 2-3 techniques.
Okay.
Yeah. And I also wanted to ask you, Hari, since you are South Indian. Yeah, there is, and you live in Abu Dhabi, right? Inside, I mean, in the downtown.
Yeah, I'm living in near to Salam Street. You know, na Salam Street.
Yeah, of course. I mean, I like most. So until 2008, I was also living in downtown, but now I'm living in Khalifa City.
Okay.
Yeah. So there is one. I also want to recommend a restaurant for you. You are vegetarian, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. So there is a restaurant called Chappan Bhog.
Chappan.
Yeah, Chappan Bhog. It's also on Salam Street. Do you know where is ADCB on Salam Street?
Yeah.
The Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank.
Yeah.
So behind.
It's in Electra Street, right? ADCB building.
It's the intersection of Salam and Electra.
But what is the hotel name you said?
Yeah, it's Chappan Bhog.
So you used to come
basically. Yeah, I like once in a while, because I'm on strict diet now. I'm trying to lose some weight.
Yeah.
So yeah, once in a while I would come there and enjoy some. Like they do dahi sev puri.
Chappan Bhog. Yeah, there is something very near actually from here.
Yeah, see, you didn't even know about. There are like a couple of branches they have.
Oh my God, they are also selling like Indian sweets. I love this.
Yes. Yeah. They have all the sweets as well. Yeah. But I tried, but see, my problem is I cannot try a lot of spices.
No, but
because
there all the times this chola puri and everything available, and how much the cost and everything.
Yeah, you can see the menu. It's really cheap.
Okay.
Believe me, it's really cheap.
Foods also. See, chola puri, it was there, and dosas, it was there.
Yeah, dosa is there, and sambar and idli. I know, because you are South Indian. So
yeah.
That's why
you are like telling me, and also like cost effective.
Yeah. So as you see, so that the thing I order usually. Where is it? Yeah, you see, bel puri is 8.5 dirhams.
Yeah.
I usually order dahi batata puri or dahi sev puri. That's 8.50, like 8 dirhams, 50 fils.
So
yeah.
But I love chola puri, and then I love pani puris and everything. So I try to visit this.
Yeah. They have pani puri also.
No, but the cost effective, and also sometimes this is like this motichur laddu also good actually.
Yeah, they have. Yeah, there are two types of laddus. They have the yellow one, and which are I don't know. The orange one are the best.
Yeah, Motichur. I love this. Yeah, that is bundi laddu.
Yeah.
This is Motichur laddu.
Okay, that's the difference. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know by color what is the difference and by taste, but I don't know like what ingredients they use. So yeah, usually I come there, I will just honk my car horn and somebody will come outside. But usually I go inside and then you just like I take like a overview of the whole place and then I tell them, okay, give me one this, because I will usually go with a friend or someone.
Yeah.
So I will order a lot of stuff and then I will also order some stuff for my home. And yeah, but see, the thing is, if you order this, like this pani puri and all these things, you cannot get them to home because then they will get soggy. So you have to eat them fresh.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah. But usually some of the stuff it finishes early because a lot of people are ordering it. Yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you about this place. So you never know, we might meet there one day.
Yeah, but we never seen each other at least.
Yeah. At least, yeah, we will see, inshallah. We will try to meet somewhere in Abu Dhabi and have a nice cup of karakti. You know how we Arabs love karakti, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Harry, it was a nice, course with you. And inshallah, hope to see you soon.
Yeah, thank you. And do me one favor. I will send you the link, or you can write a good review about the course and about me. You can mention MS project and you can mention my name and you can mention what all the good things that you have learned and everything. Nah? You can write a review.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, just send me the link. Or should I go to... Okay. Sure. All right. Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, Harry. Thank you. See you.
Thank you. Everything is good for the company.
Yeah. No problem. I will post it. I will send you a copy of my review. Don't worry.
Okay, that's great. Yeah.
Yep. All right. Thank you.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.